Hello and welcome in this stock DWAC stock on 8 December. We can go for this with the steps. So as we think about that thing that it matters, it seems that when we go for this trend line, and this is going to be with another one, and we have to say that trend line which is going to be below has a wave that is absent, so that we can go for also the price that may happen since it would increase. May this wave be absent also, and then it would increase clearly like what happened on the previous wave. So the previous wave had increased until it reaches the maximum level here. Maybe it gave us another trend line, but we wanted to know that it was reach here only for this level, which is going to be a value of 30 USD. So that what we wanted to check about today on the WAC stock.